Thank you, the Honorable Ministers, Tuina Sabsabu, Ratungale Naulum, Lilio Niabusa, and the Wuno Viroi, Taltalangasi Sabsabu, Reverend Simeone Ravana, NFA Board Chairman, Management and Staff, distinguished guests, my fellow Fijians. Buluminaka, and a very good afternoon to you all. Firstly, I wish to thank the Wuno Viroi for the warm traditional welcoming ceremony accorded to me. It is indeed pleasing to see our tradition and cultural values continues to be upheld. It is my great pleasure to be with you all here today for two very important occasions. One is the opening ceremony of the Ratunganlau Park, and the second one is, of course, the opening of the new Sabsabu Fire Station. Ladies and gentlemen, our nation's resilience and preparedness seem to be tested time and again. In February this year, we were all saddened by the news of the fatal Cessna 172 plane crash here in the north. We were, however, amazed by the rescue efforts put in by all our emergency agencies, and in particular, the rescue skills displayed by our very own firefighters in the north. Their rescue operation was very risky, where they risked their safety and their lives in this operation. Their skillfulness and bravery enabled the team to successfully complete the operation. And today I commend the National Fire Authority team, members of the Fiji Police Force and the military, Commissioner Northern's team, as well as the respective villages in the north, for total support and unity in committing to this very risky operation. As Fijians, we should all be comforted by the fact that we have such skilled expertise locally with our very own fire service. This operation exemplifies the skills and knowledge of our trained firefighters. I'm also very pleased to see the completion of new developments for the Northern Division as it continues to reflect the government's desire for socio-economic growth in the north, as well as my government's determination to promote economic investments in the Northern Division. Earlier today, I opened the new public rental board housing project at Nagere, which will now provide affordable housing for the people of Sabsabu. The opening of this new Sabsabu Fire Station and the nearby Ngainlau Park facility will complement the growing socio-economic activities in Sabsabu. In fact, Sabsabu now has the largest fire station in Fiji. And I believe this is an iconic and one of the most modern structures in the Northern Division. I acknowledge with gratitude the Methodist Church of Fiji and the Taltalangasi Sabsabu for allowing the National Fire Authority to lease this property, which has brought to reality this new development for the Sabsabu community. The new fire station is the third newly constructed fire station to be opened in the north in the span of 1 year, following the opening of the new Senganga and Tabiuni fire stations early last year. I'm advised that this new Sabsabu fire station has been a $3.7 million government-supported investment, despite the many challenges faced by NFA over the 2 years of civil and construction works, including the impact of Cyclone Winston in 2016. I believe its completion has come at an opportune time, as it will complement the thriving economic opportunities in Sabsabu for the protection of investments and economic activities through early mitigation of fires and other emergencies. There are future plans to develop this site further, including a fire academy, to further enhance the provision of essential services in the Northern Division. My government values the well-being and safety of the people of this nation, irrespective where you live in Fiji. And the National Fire Authority will continue to strive and provide easy access to essential services relating to fire response, to road accident, hazardous material rescue, flood and swift water rescue, natural disasters rescue, and of course the provision of emergency ambulance services. Government has been assisting the fire service, amongst other things, in the provision of capital grants for the purchase of ambulance vehicles and specialized equipment. I'm pleased to announce that two brand new ambulances are currently on order for delivery to NFA later this year. And one of these ambulances will be assigned to this new Sabsabu fire station for the provision of emergency ambulance services here in Sabsabu. This facility has a conference room, a control room, a fitness gym facility, office space, various storage room, and a first of its kind in Fiji, a 5-inch board that is supposed to enable the firefighters to slide down quickly from their dormitory located at the top floor for quick access to the fire trucks in the engine bay when responding to a fire emergency alarm. This is certainly a highlight and interesting feature for the new Sabsabu fire station. In the National Development Plan for the next 20 plus years, my government is challenged to transform Fiji through the provision of affordable housing for its citizens, electricity and water for all, access to high quality healthcare systems and so forth. And closely associated with these new objectives would be the need for the fire services to stay vigilant and continue to raise the standards of its service delivery to the nation. The National Fire Authority is expected to continue its expansion plans into another 11 areas, namely Nahua, Deumba, Singatoka, Mba, Rakiraki, Korvo, Nandi Lotoka, Sabsabu, Nambasa and Taviuni, and whilst NFA has permanent presence in most of these areas, some stations still need to be upgraded, and such is the NFA's strategic objective. Government also requires NFA to move into growth centers such as Nabua and Korvo, number 1, Kayasi, Gundawa, and Senganga, and it's pleasing to see much progress being made by the National Fire Authority into these areas. My government will continue to provide good working facilities for our people, resulting in a happy and productive workforce. Friends, it is my humble plea to the people of Sabsabu to take fire safety seriously at your homes and your environment. I must emphasize that fire safety is everyone's responsibility. To our firefighters who will be working from this new fire station, serve the communities of Sabsabu to the best of your ability and look after your new fire station. You will of course be relied upon to provide life-saving services, a responsibility that should be respected at all times.
nice. Very nice. One, Bonito. Давай, Menumbar bersiap nak sedikit kuembo naka sesuai ekonomi semua pasal boleh kecap lewat Nak boleh. Thank you. Nak boleh. Betul. Na chimney sama-sama belum meter ini. Nanti ni tak korang saya kira itu dengan tu bisnis dia.